What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Gala, currently sitting at 0.01493, down 9% on the day. Market cap 667 million, 24 bond 154 million. So a couple of options for Gala if this bearish level breaks, which is definitely on the menu. Looking at BTC, like let me quickly show you what I'm looking at for Ethereum and Bitcoin. So I think Ethereum could pull back in between 1600 and 1900, and BTC, there's potential for a pullback to 96K to 91K. So if that were to play out, then Gala could end up creating a new bear market low, or we just have a really deep two before bouncing back to the upside. I wasn't a long trade, but I decided to close it at almost break even, very, very small loss, just to see how this is going to play out. Is it going to finish in the C and then bounce? But I think there's a decent chance. This does look like it could be potentially three waves, which is corrective, that we create a new bear market low before bouncing back higher. So the key level to watch is 0.01383. If that breaks, it increases the likelihood of breaking that low. And if we look at the Gala on the daily chart, we broke over out of this inverse head and shoulders, but we failed to hold the neckline. We're back under the daily EMAs. So decent chance that Gala is still going through its bear market correction and could sweep this bear market low at 0.01172. So yeah, it's a bit slow and annoying here for Gala, but if you're still a believer and you're DCAing in this range, you'll still definitely have a massive return in the bull market, in my opinion. So that's what I'm looking at for Gala. If 0.01383 breaks, it increases the likelihood of a new bear market low. All right, gang, if you want completely free access to my trade signals, we just hit our TP1 on Ethereum, as well as my daily crypto analysis. Take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to BITUNIX. That's all you have to do. Once you've done that, send me an email. That's it. No strings attached. I'll send you the link for my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, including Gala, as well as my trade setups, what I'm investing in, when I'm taking my profits. Yours free with a 30-second Yours free with the 30-second sign up to BITUNIX. That's all you got to do. No strings attached. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.